now here it goes in a circle and keeps going and going. Maybe a bit damaged, but the wheels and the engine did not fail.
What kind of truck is it?
It's a very fast monster truck.
What brand?
We don't know. A
Ford Raptor, right?
Yeah.
Are you gonna see the real Raptor today? The big one?
Yeah, at the auto show. And we should present this at the auto show. It would be kind of fun. And we'll have it now going through mysterious gravel. And it made it. This thing could also survive in potholes. Watch. And it made out. And here it is, the fabulous Raptor. Now, what a good stop. And watch her doing backwards donuts. And now forward donuts. A donut that big you would want to eat before, huh? Well, here goes the